And the sound frequencies, if you notice their face, it's a cone-like structure. The sounds go right straight to their ears. One ear is located to the front, and the other one's located further to the back. So it's like one ear can hear country music, and the other one can hear rock and roll.
Oh, cute!
There was also superstitions back in the day about these birds, that if they landed on your barn, that somebody would die, but that's not true. It's just a superstition. Eagle owl. This is horse. This is our female. She's actually, the females are larger than the males because they hold the eggs. And female's wingspan is about 150 centimeters for inch, just the owls. So he's just talking back. They also have an extra vertebrae in their neck that helps them turn 170 degrees, turns their head. Also, if you notice, his eyes are really, really big, or her eyes are really, really big. This is only 1/3 of her eye you are actually seeing. Their eyes are fitted right into.
You sweatshirt. Why did you bring that?
So yeah, she.
That's kind of funny.
Yeah. The bird starts flying around. He will not attack it. And we're just going to swing it. And it's like a game. If we can keep the lure away from the bear, then we win. It always wins. The bear wins. He gets his reward.
What is faster?
He can hunt at 160 miles per hour.
Whoa.
That's faster than you can go on the highway.
Wow.
I hope no one's going 160 on the highway.
I don't. Not miles an hour anymore.
Oh, that's...
And also, if he were to take off, there is a transmitter attached to his leg, so we'd be able to locate him wherever he is.